Hello everyone, this is Dr. B. Mahalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see about mobile forensics tools concept in the subject of digital and mobile forensics. The subject code is CCS 343 Regulation 2021. Let me see one by one. So first we have to know, here in this video we are going to discuss various mobile forensics tools used by the investigators to extract, analyze, recover and report the data from mobile devices and cloud services. So why mobile forensics tools are needed? So here it's needed to recover the deleted messages, extract the call logs, analyze WhatsApp and social media data, access backup and cloud data, generate forensics reports for the court purpose. So here mobile forensics tools help the investigators collect digital evidence while maintaining data integrity. So first one we have to see, it's a very popular and professional forensics tool is Oxygen Forensics. So here this Oxygen Forensics is a professional mobile forensics tool and it is widely used by the law enforcement agencies and forensics investigator. The feature of this Oxygen Forensics tool is uses wizard based setup and it is guides user through the extraction process and it is suitable for beginners and professionals. Suitable for the beginners and professionals, and the data extraction using this Oxygen Forensics tool is contacts, messages, call logs, photos, videos and application data. So here this geolocation mapping places user activities on maps, tracks the movement history and shows the location based evidence. So here in this using this Oxygen Forensics, the key features are it is a user-friendly interface, comprehensive data extractions, nothing but what are the data, this kinds of the data, that's nothing but contact messages, call logs, photos, videos and applications, and geolocations mapping also we can extract by using this Oxygen Forensics tools. So advantages is easy to use and strong extraction capabilities they have and excellent location analysis. So next is that in this Oxygen Forensics, if for an example, if the suspect visited multiple locations, Oxygen Forensics can display the movement path on map. And here this Oxygen Forensics advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is easy of use, comprehensive features are there and geolocation mapping. Disadvantages, the disadvantages and that is limitation in the Oxygen Forensics is cost wise. It is more cost effective and that is a feature set. While it has many features, it lacks some of the advanced capabilities found in more expensive tools like Celebrate. So about the summary of this Oxygen Forensics offers a balance between affordability, easy of use and professional forensics capabilities. And next mobile forensics tool is Mobile Edit. This Mobile Edit Forensics Express is a mobile forensics tool known for affordability and professional reporting capabilities. Features are here allows the investigator to enter case information, store evidence detail and organize investigation records. The benefit is help manage multiple investigations effectively. And here this report format. The next key feature is report formats. It support both HTML and PDF or format reports it will generate. And device compatibility. Here the device compatibility, it will support both Android devices as well as the Apple devices. One tool can examine the multiple device types. And next one is that advantages and disadvantages. Advantages wise, it is affordable. Of course, it is user friendly and cross platform compatibility is there. Disadvantages is features or limited features. So may they lack some advanced features found in high priced tools. That is fewer advanced features only is there. So that is what the disadvantages in Mobile Edit. It's one of the mobile forensics tool. Next Next one is here Magnet Forensics tool. This Magnet Forensics tool is a professional investigation platform with extensive capabilities. The key features of the Magnet Forensics is versatility, user interface, and data extraction. So versatility is the name itself. It is saying here multiple platform support. It will support the multiple platform, that is mobile devices or the computers or cloud data, wherever the investigator want to extract the data from the different platform, it will support. So that is what versatility. And here next one is user interface, that is case information management. Allow the investigator to track the cases, organize the evidence, and maintain investigation record integrity. And next one is data extraction. Here the data extraction, we can recover the mobile app data, chat messages, browser history, and multimedia files. Advantages of this Magnet Forensics is it's very powerful, comprehensive investigation features suitable for the professional forensics labs. And disadvantages is highly cost tool. That is one of the disadvantage. Example, a single investigation can combine evidence from the smartphone and a laptop. So it is a versatility features implementation. And next to forensics, mobile forensics tool is Reincubate. So here Reincubate is it's a specialized tool for iOS data extraction and backup analysis. Main thing it is for the iOS and then backup analysis. The key feature is here iTunes backups and iPhone backups. So here why it is sometimes investigator cannot access the phone directly because device is locked or security restriction is exist. In such cases, backup may still contain valuable evidence. For that, we can use this kind of this mobile forensics tool. Advantages is low cost and it is useful for iPhone investigation. Effective backup analysis is there. Limitation is not a complete forensics platform. It focused mainly on the backup extraction. And next one is what? Alt Data. This is primarily a data recovery tool that is also provide the useful forensics capability. The key features for this Alt Data is here data recovery, comprehensive data retrieval, and then voicemail recovery. Here this data recovery source, you can recover the iTunes backups, iCloud backups, live devices, and type of the data recovered is messages, call history, contacts, that Safari history, that is browser history, WhatsApp data, WeChat data. So these kinds of the data we can recover by using this Alt Data. And this limitation is lack of some advanced forensics features. And next one is here iCloud. So here in this iCloud forensics, iCloud is the Apple cloud storage service. It is also one of the mobile forensics tool. Even when a phone is unavailable, data may still exist in the cloud. So data stored is there in iCloud. So here the photos, documents, messages, contacts and calendars, notes and reminders, everything we can take from the cloud data. So this is one of the forensics tool that is used. iCloud is a Apple cloud storage devices. And this here, this forensics important thing is provides remote access to the evidence without physically possessing the devices. And the tools for this iCloud forensics, here iCloud forensics the tools are Celebrate, and for Oxygen forensics, Defron, MyPhone debug. So these kinds of the things already I explained in the previous videos. What is Celebrate and what is Dr. Phone and what is the MyPhone debug and all. These all are the familiar forensics tools to extract the data from the digital evidence. And in this challenges or in this iCloud for the forensics challenges is credential dependency, encryptions and legal issues. So the credential requires Apple ID and password. For the encryption, data is protected using encryption concept, and investigator must obtain the proper authorization before accessing the iCloud accounts. So here in this video we saw about the mobile forensics tools, that is what is the Magnet Forensics, and what is Alt Data, what is Reincubate. So these are the very familiar mobile forensics tools are there. So remaining concept let me see in the future video. Thank you so much.